Ever wanted to add an additional stream of income to what you currently have or don't have? Hey, I'm using this opportunity to invite you to join my community of those who make money on the internet, either actively or passively. Now, actively, like I'm sure you know about me, trading the financial market, either Forex, crypto, the stock market, or the futures market. On the other hand, making money passively, drop shipping, doing digital marketing, affiliate marketing, or even being a content creator. Now, this is an opportunity you do not want to let slide. Perhaps you have postponed this journey for a long time, but I'm inviting you today. Now, even more importantly, this is to announce that starting on the 25th of November 2025, I am going to be resuming my free online training and trading sessions, whereby you could join me on social media, either perhaps on YouTube, on Facebook, or on TikTok, even as I trade the market. I share my screen, I do the analysis, and enter trades that you could also enter if you do know how to. Now, on the other hand, I know not everybody knows how to enter or trade in the financial market. So what I am going to be doing, oh yes, this is going to be interesting. What I am going to be doing is actually training people, teaching people how to copy my own trades. You don't need to be able to analyze the data. You don't need to be able to analyze anything in the market. All you need to do is just to know how to press the buy button, the sell button, how to take partial profits, and all will be taught even as we go on. Now, starting on the 25th of November, I say that is going to be a Tuesday. I am going to be dropping details of where I'm going to be doing it. So usually what happens is that a day or two before the actual live training and trading sessions, I would inform you in one of my social media groups. Typically it's going to be either on Facebook or on my Telegram page. So I invite you to, follow me on those two platforms, either on Telegram or Facebook. Now, when I say Facebook, there is the Facebook profile. I have a Facebook profile, and I also have a Facebook page. Follow me on the Facebook page. The Facebook profile is basically where, I ask you to become my friend. I'll ask you for friendship and you accept, or you do the same. That is profile. That is what a lot of people are used to. But for businesses and for charitable work and all whatnot, people tend to use Facebook pages. So I'm going to be leaving the link below for my Facebook page and my Telegram page, where I do all the announcements and provide all the information. You don't want to miss this opportunity. It's an opportunity to train you as to how to copy trades from me and perhaps whoever else you want to copy trades from, and begin to have an additional stream of income. You would have the opportunity, obviously, to ask questions during these training sessions or even during the trading sessions, and you too can begin to acquire the skills you need to begin to make money online. Everybody is moving towards making money online. Why not you? Do this for your household. Now, recently I have been promoting the fact that, I've been pushing the fact that every household needs to have either a trader in there or someone who makes money online. This would indeed help you level up financially. Join me as we do this, and you will be glad you did. God bless.